I told you that starting an online business isn't as complicated and overwhelming as it seems? You can actually start a business from your living room, a coffee shop, or even your dream destination. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start your own online company, whether it be starting from scratch or turning your side hustle into a full-time venture. So, if 2025 is the year that you want to get serious about starting that business, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, you'll learn how to find your perfect business idea, the exact steps to validate your market, how to build your online presence, and the strategies to start making money from day one. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own online business. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just practical, actionable steps that you can start taking today. But before we dive into the how, let me show you why starting an online business in 2025 is smarter than ever. Unlike traditional businesses that need physical stores and huge upfront investments, online businesses are incredibly scalable. Imagine expanding your business without signing another lease or hiring a full-time staff. With automation and AI tools available today, you can streamline everything from content creation to customer service, letting you grow faster with less overhead. Speaking of overhead, that's another game changer. While a physical store could cost you tens of thousands just to open the doors, you can launch many online businesses with just a laptop and a few $100s. So, whether you're offering services like social media marketing or selling products through dropshipping, your startup costs stay minimal. And here's what really gets me excited: location freedom. The dream of working from anywhere isn't just Instagram fancy anymore. Like, I'm literally recording this video from one of the many Airbnbs I stay at every single month, and I could be on a beach in Bali if I wanted. As long as you have an internet connection, your office can be anywhere. But perhaps the biggest advantage, your market isn't limited to your local area. A physical store might reach a few thousand people in your city, but online, your potential customer base is global. With the right marketing strategy, you could be selling to customers in Tokyo while you sleep in New York. Now that you see the potential, let me show you exactly how to make it happen. Let's tackle the first big question. What are you going to sell? Well, the good news is you have three main options in the online space. First are physical products. Think jewelry, backpacks, pet beds, home decor, anything that can be shipped straight to your customer's door. You can sell these through major platforms like Amazon and eBay, or create your own online store. The beauty of physical products is that they're easy for customers to understand and value. The second option is services. Now, this could be teaching languages online, providing financial services, or even offering fitness training. The key advantage here is that you can start with just your skills and a computer. Finally, we have media and knowledge-based products. Now, if you're an expert in something, you can package that expertise in multiple formats, like video courses for hands-on learning, ebooks for in-depth knowledge, podcasts for on-the-go education, live webinars for interactive teaching. If you're still unsure of what to sell, then go ahead and use AI tools like ChatGPT to explore some ideas. And before you invest time and money into your business idea, you'll need to make sure there's actually a market for it. Think of this as your business reality check. You'll need to ask yourself three critical questions. 1, is there a real need for what you're offering? 2, who actually wants to buy it? And 3, how much are they willing to pay? Your potential customers are already out there, talking about their needs and problems. They might be on Facebook groups discussing pain points, alternative solutions, or what they're currently missing. They can be found on Reddit threads, asking for recommendations, or maybe even commenting on YouTube videos in your niche. This research will help you understand if there's a real need for your product or service, as well as who's looking for it. Now, the next steps would be to look at what your potential competitors are doing. Using free tools like SimilarWeb, we can uncover what your competitors do in order to attract audiences. which marketing channels they use, how they present their products or services, and what's their pricing. Think of your business plan as your GPS for success. Without it, you're basically sailing blind. So let's break down how to create a plan that will actually guide your business, not just collect dust in a drawer. Here are the components of your business plan that you need to tackle. Executive summary, company description, business goals, organizational and management structure, services and products, sales and marketing plan, funding requirements, and financial projections. Each of these elements will help you establish a better ground for your business and guide you through the trails and tribulations of starting your own business. Here's my top tip. Start with a one-page version. It forces you to be clear and concise. Your business name is like making a first impression on a job interview. It's got to be good, so you want to pick one that sticks. Now, let me show you a cool trick using AI to generate ideas. Watch this. Let's say we're starting a pet products company. See how it generates names that are memorable, available, brand friendly? And once you have a name you love, check the domain availability using tools like GoDaddy, Wix, Bluehost, and others to make sure no one else has already claimed it. A pro tip is to also check social media handles with the name that you're thinking of using to make sure that you have consistency across all platforms. Now, for everyone's favorite topic, money. You want to fund your business without breaking the bank, right? So, there are 3 main ways to fund your online business, and I hope you choose the right one for you. Personal savings, the bootstrap method. Now, in this funding method, you basically fund the business with your own personal money, so you're in complete control, but you're also taking all the risk. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter let you pre-sell your idea and ask people to help you fund it in exchange for first look, free services, etc. So, you're still in control, but have a commitment to your backers from the get-go. Venture capital. For high growth ideas that require significant monetary resources from the first step, you can reach out to venture capitals and ask them to fund your business in exchange for a percentage of the profits or ownership. This option will help you get a relatively large amount of money from the beginning, but will also force you to leave some of the ownership. Most online businesses can start with as little as $500, so start small. Test your idea and then scale up using one of the methods I described, and as you start to see what works. So, now let's tackle something that sounds scary but is actually pretty straightforward. Choosing your business structure. This decision is fundamental when you start your business, as it will impact many other decisions you make along the way, like funding methods, legal registration, etc. Here are the different business structures you can choose for your business. Sole proprietorship, the simplest option. It's just you and your business and can be a good fit if you run your business single-handedly. This allows for a quick to set up, but also leaves you responsible for everything. That means your personal assets could be at risk. Partnership, perfect when you're starting your business with a co-founder. This structure allows you to share your business with someone else so that each partner shares the profits, losses, and responsibilities. Corporation. Think of this as creating a separate legal person. Your business becomes its own entity that's separated from your personal entity. The business is held legally liable for the actions and debts the business incurs. You can still hold full ownership, but if you're protecting your personal assets. LLC. The best of both worlds, combining liability protection features of a corporation and with operational flexibility of a partnership. Now, when choosing your business structure, it's crucial to seek legal counsel or consult with a business advisor or accountant so you understand each type's implications and can make an informed decision that suits your business's needs and goals. And remember, you can always change your structure as you grow. Now, let's make sure your business stays on the right side of the law to avoid any fines or legal issues using actionable steps. The information I'll present applies to US-based businesses only, So it's vital that you check your own country's legal requirements for starting a business, as laws do vary. US-based businesses are required to apply for a business license, as this provides the government with a way of tracking enterprises operating within the area, as well as tax revenue generated. To obtain a business license, you'll need a detailed description of your business's activities, a legal structure. Will you be operating as a sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or corporation? Any required inspections, licenses, certificates, or permits based on your region's rules and regulations, as well as on your industry. And always make sure that they're relevant and not expired. A sales tax license if required from your state agency. Pro tip here, set reminders for all important dates by creating a compliance calendar to track license renewals, permit updates, annual filings. The next step is crucial, building your online storefront. Think of your website as your digital real estate. Just like a physical store needs the right location and layout, your website needs the right platform and features to succeed. Let's look at the 3 most popular platforms for online businesses. First, we have WordPress with WooCommerce. It's like having a blank canvas with unlimited possibilities. Then there's Shopify, which is basically an all-in-one solution built specifically for selling online. And finally, Wix, which is perfect if you want something user-friendly and quick to set up. Based on your specific business's needs, you'll want to make sure the website builder of your choice has a few key features that will help you make this process easier and more efficient. First, templates. You want professional designs that can be customized quickly. Second, e-commerce capabilities that you need in order to be able to sell both physical and digital products. Third, security. You absolutely must have SSL encryption and secure payment processing. Fourth, AI tools. This is a pro tip that will save you tons of working hours when it comes to content creation, design, and more. Remember, your website is an investment in your business's future. So take the time to get these elements right, and you'll have a solid foundation for growth. Product management can make or break your business. Managing your products entails thinking about aspects such as sourcing, storage, packaging, shipping, and returns. You'll need to develop a system that works for you and your team in order to keep track and grow your business in the future. Now, your products are the foundation of your online business, so you'll want to put a lot of thought into the way that you source them. There are 3 main ways to source products. First, you can make products yourself, perfect for unique handcrafted items. If you're making DIY products such as handcrafted necklaces, wall art, or knitted scarves, your first task will be sourcing the materials required to make your products. Second, partner with a manufacturer to scale production. Working with a manufacturer or wholesaler allows you to hire a partner to develop the products on your behalf. This is the right solution for business owners who are not able to manufacture the product themselves but are ready to scale their business or experiencing higher demand than planned. Or third, use drop shipping to avoid inventory completely. This way, you can sell products without holding any inventory. Dropshipping is a good way to get into e-commerce with less financial risk. Now, your operations need to run like a well-oiled machine, so make sure you choose the right product management strategy for you and your business, taking into consideration the financial implications, sales projections, and growth opportunities of your business. You can always shift to a different product management system as you go, but make sure the foundations work well so that you can actually scale up. Marketing isn't just about promoting your product, it's about creating a journey for your customer. You want to make sure that your target audience understands the value of your product or service and actually want them to make a purchase. Your customer's journey has 4 stages. First, awareness. This is where someone discovers your brand. Maybe they see your product on a social media post or on another online advertising channel. Now they're interested. This is where your lead magnet comes in. You draw those potential customers to your store and collect their leads so that you can later retarget them and drive them to purchase. The next one is the decision stage. This is where your potential customers need a proof, a reason to believe in your product or service. Use case studies, testimonials, comparisons, etc. to show them your value. Finally, the action stage, where your customers are making the purchase. All that being said, if you want those potential customers to be aware of your business and take action, you need a marketing plan. How to do that? Well, start with content marketing. Blog posts, videos, social media posts, email sequences, and more. Then continue to paid advertising. Search, social media marketing, referrals, etc. From there, continue with SEO, search engine optimization methods, to get more organic exposure for your brand. Pro tip, plan a content calendar that will integrate your major promotion periods with regular content to allow yourself to get a comprehensive view of your strategy and plan ahead. Finally, your launch day is here. Let's ensure your business takes off successfully with these crucial steps. First, your final check. Test every payment gateway, email automation, and inventory tracker. Click through your entire purchase process to make sure that the sales coming through are correctly going through and the user experience is smooth and engaging. Once your website is live, you need to track your traffic sources, conversion rates, and customer feedback. You should also monitor your social media channels and keep track of the engagement. The first 48 hours are crucial to get an initial understanding of the customer experience. So make sure you track all important elements. That will help you analyze and optimize your store. You now have everything you need to start your online business journey. Yes, it does take work and dedication, but remember, every successful business you admire started exactly where you are right now. Please like and share this video and leave any comments or questions below. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel to learn more about growing your business.